Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Axello Balya Putra, and I want to present my project. The title is Communicating with Students. First definition. Communication with students means the interaction between teachers and students in the classroom. Teachers share information, instructions, and feedback so students can understand the lesson clearly. Good communication also helps students feel comfortable and respected. And then the importance of communication. Good communication is very important in classroom management. It builds trust and respect between teacher and students. It also prevents misunderstanding and makes students more active in class. When communication is positive, the classroom atmosphere becomes more comfortable and effective for learning. Next, characteristics of good communication. A teacher should communicate clearly and politely. Clear instructions help students understand what they should do. Teachers also need active listening, eye contact, and positive feedback. These things make students feel appreciated and motivated. And then the problems in communication. Sometimes communication in the classroom has problems. For example, students may not pay attention or misunderstand instruction and feel shy to speak. Noise and distraction can also make communication less effective. Next, how teachers can improve communication. Teachers can improve communication by speaking clearly and using simple language. Teachers should encourage students to ask questions and express opinions. Listening carefully and giving appreciation can also increase students' confidence. Example in the classroom. This is a simple example of communication in the classroom. The teacher gives clear instruction and students respond by asking questions and discussing together. Good communication helps classroom activities run smoothly. So the conclusion, communication is an important part of classroom management. Good communication helps create a positive and effective learning environment. Teachers should always communicate clearly, politely, and positively with students. Thank you for listening. And I have a part two, solving the problems. Problem one is the case is some students showed silly answers and play with object during discussion. So the solution is set clear classroom rules and then move around the classroom or call students by their names, give interesting activities, and communicate firmly but politely. Next, problem two. The case is Zevano was disruptive, sarcastic, and disturbed other students during class. The solutions is talk to the student privately, avoid embarrassing the student in front of classmates, give positive attention, set consequence for bad behavior, and last is build respectful communication. The last problem three. The case is students tease, yell, and push each other during class. So the solution is teach students about respect and then create classroom agreements, encourage teamwork, solve conflicts calmly, and then communicate openly with students. So thank you for attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.